In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play authentication required. If you're seeing this error when trying to download or update apps, don't worry, this is a pretty common Google Play issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. The goal here is to refresh the Play Store, reconnect your Google account properly, and make sure your device settings aren't causing a mismatch. To begin, it helps to understand what's going on. The authentication required message usually appears when Google Play has trouble verifying your account details or syncing correctly with your device. That can happen because of corrupted app data, account sync problems, or even incorrect date and time settings. The first fix is to clear the data for both the Google Play Store and Google Play services. Go into your phone's settings, then open Apps or Application Manager depending on your device. Find Google Play Store, tap Storage, and clear the cache and data. After that, go back and do the same thing for Google Play services. This step is important because it resets temporary files and stored information that may be causing the authentication error. Once that's done, reopen the Play Store and check if the issue is resolved. If the error is still there, the next step is to remove and then re-add your Google account. Head back to Settings, Open Accounts, and select your Google account. Choose the option to remove it from the device. This won't delete your account itself, but it will disconnect it from the phone temporarily. After removing it, restart your device if needed, then go back into Accounts and add your Google account again. This helps refresh the connection between your device and Google's servers, which often clears account-related Play Store errors. If that still doesn't fix it, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, then Date and Time, and make sure your device is set to update automatically using network-provided time and time zone. If your phone's clock is inaccurate, even by a little, it can interfere with Google's authentication process. Correcting this setting can sometimes solve the problem immediately. These fixes are best tried in this order since they go from the simplest reset to deeper account and system corrections. Take your time with each one, and after each change, reopen Google Play and test it again. With a little patience, this issue is usually resolved quickly and your app downloads should return to normal.